Welcome to Ningning Mandarin, Chinese conversations for beginners with stories. 去饭馆 going to the restaurant. Hi there, welcome to Ningning Mandarin. 大家好，我是宁宁。Today's story is taken from my newly published book, Chinese Conversations for Beginners. The story is about ordering in the restaurant, 点餐 with the conversations conducted by 3 different people in normal speed. So listen carefully. If it appears fast to you, simply just slow down the play speed in the setting. To better practice your Chinese listening skills, we are going to play the video twice, the bilingual version and the Chinese-only version. Same layout with the book. Firstly, let's preview key vocabulary. 饭馆 restaurant 饭馆菜单 menu 菜单欢迎 welcome 欢迎绿茶 green tea 绿茶服务员 waiter or waitress 服务员吃货 foodie 吃货一双筷子A pair of chopsticks, 一双筷子好吃 delicious, 好吃一共 in total, 一共买单 pay the bill, 买单 Story background 苏菲和杰明要去饭馆 Sophie and Jamie are going to the restaurant.就是这家饭馆，我们进去吧。
好啊。
欢迎，请问几位？
就我们2个人。
好的，请进。2位请坐，这是菜单。
谢谢，我看一看。我要一盘北京烤鸭和一碗炒饭。
我要一份宫爆鸡丁和一份西红柿炒鸡蛋。
好的，请问你们要喝什么吗？
我要一杯绿茶。
我要一瓶可乐。
好的，请稍等。这是你们的菜，请慢用。
啊，这些菜看上去真不错，我要全部吃完。
你真是个吃货。
对，我就是个大吃货。
这有一双筷子，你会用吗？
不会，但是我要试一试。现在在中国，我一定要学会用筷子。真好吃！服务员，我要买单。
先生，一共80块钱。
我用微信付吧。
可以，请在这里扫码。
好的。
谢谢，欢迎下次再来。
For more content and more conversations like this, welcome to purchase my book, Chinese Conversations for Beginners on Amazon by the link below. Now, time to the challenge. Test yourself by listening to the conversation in Chinese-only version. 就是这家饭馆，我们进去吧。
好啊。
欢迎，请问几位？
就我们2个人。
好的，请进。2位请坐，这是菜单。
谢谢，我看一看。 我要一盘北京烤鸭和一碗炒饭。
我要一份宫爆鸡丁和一份西红柿炒鸡蛋。
好的，请问你们要喝什么吗？
我要一杯绿茶。
我要一瓶可乐。
好的，请稍等。这是你们的菜，请慢用。
啊，这些菜看上去真不错，我要全部吃完。
你真是个吃货。
对，我就是个大吃货。
这有一双筷子，你会用吗？
不会，但是我要试一试。现在在中国，我一定要学会用筷子。真好吃！服务员，我要买单。
先生，一共80块钱。
我用微信付吧。
可以，请在这里扫码。
好的。
谢谢，欢迎下次再来。
To help with your Chinese listening and speaking, this book also comes with free audio. And you possibly also noticed I was playing one of the characters as well. Do you know which one? Welcome to leave your guess on the comments below. And a big thank you for all of you who have purchased this book. And I hope you keep enjoy reading it. I want you to know that I really appreciate your support means a lot to me. So thank you so much. 非常谢谢你们，我爱你们。我们下期再见。